step into the 2013 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include MP3 Player, power windows, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, stability control, and keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.